In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GA4 to Google Data Studio. We'll walk through getting your Google Analytics 4 data into Looker Studio, which is the new name for Data Studio, so you can start building clear, shareable reports. Start by opening your browser and searching for Google Data Studio. You'll see it listed as Looker Studio in the results and on the homepage. This is the same tool, just rebranded, and it's where you'll create interactive dashboards powered by your GA4 data. When the homepage loads, you'll typically be signed in automatically with your Google account. Check the profile picture in the top right to confirm you're using the account that has access to your analytics property. If you manage multiple Google accounts, switch to the one with GA4 permissions before moving on. If you can't see your property later, access is the most common reason, so confirm you have the right role in analytics. From the Looker Studio homepage, click the Create button in the top left and choose Report. You can also click the big plus sign on the homepage. Both options open a new blank report. This gives you a fresh canvas and immediately prompts you to add data, which is exactly what we want. In the Add Data to Report panel that appears, search for the Google Analytics connector. There are many connectors in this list, but for GA4, you still select Google Analytics. This connector supports both Universal Analytics and GA4, and we'll make sure to pick GA4 in the next step. Next, select the Google account you want to use if prompted. Choose the account that actually has access to the analytics property you need. This ensures Looker Studio can pull the right data without any permission issues. Now select your GA4 property. You'll know it's the correct one because you'll see GA4 before the ID. If you manage several properties, take a moment to confirm you're picking the right brand or site. Depending on your setup, you may also be asked to choose a specific data stream, such as web or app. Pick the one that matches the data you plan to report. Click Connect in the top right. In some older interfaces, this button may be labeled Add. After a brief load, the Data Source Fields panel opens. Here you'll see the available dimensions and metrics from GA4. You can now start adding charts, tables, scorecards, and time series to your report, and use the search bar in the Fields panel to quickly find metrics like users, sessions, or conversions. That's it. Your GA4 data is connected and ready to visualize in Looker Studio.